Hi guys, today we're going to show you the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack. First, we have the Lamborghini Veneno. Next, we have the Lotus Esprit. And then we got the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Next we got the Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Next we have the Bugatti Chiron. And now we're gonna race now with these 5-pack. So now we'll race these. On marks, get set. Winner! Lotus Esprit. So we're gonna put it in the middle. It makes sense because so it doesn't win again. On your marks, get set. This time Bugatti Chiron we're doing. Whoever gets 3. On marks, get set. Bugatti Chiron again. Lamborghini Veneno this time. Which one? Lamborghini Veneno again. Bugatti Chiron we're doing. Winner, Lamborghini Veneno. Marks, Kita. It's the Jaguar. Lotus. Esprit. Aston Martin. Aston Martin again. Lotus. Aston Martin versus Jaguar Project 7. Jaguar Project 7. One more for Jaguar. Aston Martin with one. And 2. Okay. It's Aston Martin. First place is Bugatti Chiron. Second place Lamborghini Veneno. Third place Lotus Esprit. Fourth place Aston Martin V8 Vantage. And last place Jaguar F-Type Project 77. So my favorite car is this Bugatti Chiron because Bugatti Chirons are my second favorite car in real life. They're just a beast in real life. They're just so cool. Next is the Lamborghini Veneno. Venenos are my third favorite cars. They're just very, very, very cool. I've been waiting to have a Lamborghini Veneno Hot Wheels version. Next, Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Love it, love it, love it. I don't have an Aston Martin. I never had one. This is just a perfect car in real life. Then last we got, no, not last, Jaguar Project 7. Just so cool. I love the details of this car. The white like dots. I know there's other like paint jobs. And last is this Lotus Esprit. It's also a very cool car. I would rather just like have these cars, but I love this car also. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.